One Earth, seven seas, seven continents, 196.
How many provinces in the Philippines? I don't know. How many? Believe it or not, 81. Abra, Kalinga, Aurora, Laguna, Maguindanao, Ifugao, Isabela, Aklan and Basilan, Sulu, Biliran, Leyte, Cagayan, Bulacan and Palawan, Batanes, Batangas, Bohol, Guimaras, Agusan del Norte, Agusan del Sur, Capiz, Cavite, Bataan, Masbate, Ilocos Norte, Ilocos Sur, Tarlac, Tawi-Tawi, Cebu, Sarangani, Camarines Norte, Sorsogon, Compostela Valley, Quezon, Zambales, Camarines Sur and Bukidnon, Zamboanga, Sibugay and Del Sur, Albay, Zamboanga del Norte din, Despampanga, Nueva Ecija, Nueva Vizcaya and Camiguin. These are the Philippine provinces. Every Pinoy in the world comes from one of them. These are the Philippine provinces. There are 7,107 islands.